How to live stream on YouTube on phone without requirements. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Can you stream on YouTube on phone without requirements? Simply click on plus button on bottom and then click on live. As you can see, try creating more shorts to reach 50 subscribers. Simply click on learn more and you'll find these rules. As you can see, there should be at least 50 subscribers on your YouTube channel to start stream, or simply upload videos longer than 15 minutes, add custom thumbnail, live stream, appeal content ID claims, and you'll be able to live stream. So the answer is no, you cannot live stream on YouTube on phone without requirements. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.